Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve equations with a single variable on one side of the equal sign, like the one we see on screen. But first of all, what is a variable? Well, a variable is just a fancy name for an unknown number or value. These can be represented as letters, most of the time by x, y, and z. Equations with one variable can either have the variable on one side of the equal sign, like this example, or on both sides of the equal sign, like this other example. Let's begin by solving equations with one variable on one side of the equal sign. In this example, your target is to get the value of x. Let's get started. Here we have x plus 3 equals 5. To get the value of x, we need to leave it alone on one side of the equal sign. So let's leave it where it is. Now, looking to the left side, we still have a number 3 that is being added to x, and we need to get rid of it. But how? Well, if we subtract 3 to it, we can eliminate it, right? But you may be wondering, can I just do that? Well, yes, but there has to be a balance. So whatever operation we do on one side, we need to do on the other side. So let's subtract 3 on the right side too. So x plus 3 minus 3 equals 5 minus 3. Now, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have x plus 0 equals 2, which takes us to the result x equals 2. Now, there's another method to get the same result in less steps. And this is where opposite operations come in handy. We have x plus 3 equals 5. We have a number 3 that is being added to x on the left side of the equal sign. All we need to do is pass the 3 to the right side of the equal sign. When we pass a term to the other side of the equal sign, we pass it with the opposite operation. In this case, it was adding to the left, so we pass it to the right, subtracting. As you can see, we get the same result. You may be wondering why this makes sense. And it's because by passing the terms to the opposite side, using the opposite operation, we are doing exactly the same operation on the other side of the equal sign. But we're not writing it down because the result is 0 anyways. However, you can solve this using whichever method makes more sense to you. Thank you for watching. And if this video helped you, please like it, subscribe, and share.